Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 28th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal with these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better investing or trading decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir closed up 88 cents at 4%, closed at 22.56. Post-market, the number seems to be off. Let's look at what this looks like on this chart. So nice green candle, almost no wick at the top and no wick at the bottom. So a nice clean up day, very nice day. This is interesting to see a deal like this because yesterday we went almost down to 21 bucks. So we almost went down to 21 as a way to just give another impulse to the stock. So nice day. What can I say? Let's look at the hour chart. The first hour of the day is this one here. So basically we were underneath this resistance on the hourly chart. Resistance right here. And we just broke it during the first hour. Broke it during the first hour, pulled back during the first hour a little bit, but then we continued. Boom, boom. And we seem to have stopped at around 22.58 or so. A little bit of a pullback, but still quite strong because we went back into it and we finished with a nice hammer here with a longer wick at the bottom and almost no wick at the top. So nice recovery, I would say, from yesterday. Let's go to the daily chart. So basically, daily chart, let's look at the indicators. Stochastic at 29, not super high stochastic. So stochastic is not too impressed with this nice move. Of course, we have this resistance at 22.75. So are we going to just cave into 22.75? It's possible. We are obviously above 21, so we are basically in a small congestion zone, 21, 22.75. What is of some interest is that the MACD is starting to be close to crossing over. So having the MACD crossover like this after a big move down is a significant event. Does it work all the time? It does not work all the time, but when it works, we are happy when it works. So basically, this is going to be something that we have to watch. MACD seem to be willing to cross over, so maybe tomorrow is going to be the actual crossover. We could do something like this. So this is an indication of the support or the new trend, that a new micro trend, I would say. And we also maybe are having something like this. So maybe I'm just going to put this here for now. So maybe we are just going into this channel. So here we have the resistance and at the bottom here we have the support. So the thing with putting lines, it's easy to put lines everywhere, but we just need to put lines where we see them and where it makes sense. And if it stops making sense, we can change them. This is more of an art, but so far I find that this art is really interesting because the stock is really reacting to the way we put lines. So this is great. So basically, it's not impossible that Palantir would cross 22.75, then go up to this point here and then come back lower to confirm this support. So we need at least 2 points to draw a line. So I have this point here and this point here. I can draw a line. And the more a line has points where the stock touches it, the more confidence we can have in that line. So basically right now, this line that I just did looks very good now. Will it look good in next week? I don't know yet, but this is why technical analysis is like trimming a bonsai. Things in your tree, oh yeah, this is where the branch wants to grow, and then you trim around it to make sure that it grows into that, in that direction. And then maybe you were wrong, and then maybe the tree is growing a little bit differently and you see something else, you say, no, I made a mistake. It's more like this. It's fine. It's fine. You can trim your tree how you want to trim your tree. So we don't need to hash it out and disagree on where I put my lines. You can have your opinion. I would like to hear your opinion. I'm voicing my opinion. Let's just get along and draw our lines. Anyway, that was a little bit of a rant. Okay, so MACD, as I said, MACD is close to crossing over. So that's a nice sign. That's a really nice sign. And the MI is still a very long way until it crosses over bullish. So it's going to take a lot of movement to convince the MI, or it's going to take some time for Palantir to just stay put in the congestion zone for a significant amount of time, so that the DMI will correct itself and the two lines will get closer together, and then Palantir can just start and the DMI will quickly show the change in trend. So we are going to have to stay put. We are going to have to look at the stock market every single day. Is that a bad thing? No, I think it's a great thing. It's a hobby. It's a hobby of mine and I like doing it. And yeah, what can I say? Also, I have a little bit of an announcement to make. I have been starting to do these weekly recap for Palantir and Tesla during the weekend. And this is taking some time from myself. And I thought we could do a win-win thing. So I thought that I would reserve those weekly recaps only to my YouTube members. And I was also thinking that I could do these weekly recap live. So I could be recording them live on YouTube, and you could join me if you are free during that time. I don't know exactly when I will do them, but most likely it's going to be on Sunday. So you could join me and then we can chat. You can ask me questions, you can tell me things, and then I can respond live. So I thought it would create a great dynamic. If you become a YouTube member, this is what you would be getting. Tell me in the comment section below if this is something you would be interested in. This is an idea for now, and depending on the comments that I receive, I will decide if I do it or not. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. We have a Patreon account, Discord server, TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.